Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to change language in Facebook. Friends, Facebook come in many languages and you can very easily change its language to your native language. So in Facebook, press on these three lines on the right side corner of the screen. Here scroll it little down and press on settings and privacy. Here press on language. Now here you will find list of languages available in Facebook. As I am from India, I will select Hindi language. Now I will reopen my Facebook app. Now friends, here you can see I have successfully changed my Facebook language to Hindi. So like this you can very easily change your language in Facebook. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.